Okay, so I just wanted to show you one of the things that we have on our website, right under members. This is our member directory. So a couple things about this. It is a paid service as well, advertising yourself on this directory as a member. Um, if you are a paid member, such as the gold or platinum membership, please note that this is included in that membership, so please do not pay for it separately. Don't buy it first and then and then get your membership. And if you accidentally do that, let me know and I will make sure that we get it all figured out for you. So, but this is a membership directory. So if you are looking for services, then this is where you're going to want to come check out the directory. Or if you know someone who's looking for services, then you can share the URL to these profiles. Okay, so your profile, these first ones are admin and chapter leaders, so they're bigger at the beginning. And then we come down to the members, and I'm going to be listing these in two different ways. So they're going to be listed A to Z. It's going to be alphabetical by the first name because that's quite often how we know each other. It's not necessarily by last name. We don't always know last name. So it's going to be alphabetical by the first name. And what you can do is if you click on that, it takes you to their profile page. So a quick, easy way to link to somebody there if you know the name of the person that you want to connect with. If you are looking for a type of business, then these will all be under categories. So as we fill up, we'll be adding other categories like candles and scents, jewelry, fashion, cosmetics, coaching, all of these different types of things. Actually, coaching will probably be under, depending on what it is, personal development, because Kelly is a life coach. So if we find that we would prefer it under coaching, just let me know if you think that you'd be found better that way. So please, don't hesitate to contact me and just say, can I get moved to such and such instead if you feel like you're in the wrong spot. So these are just, little sort of quick overview of who it is. And when you click on the profile, oh, that was wrong. Obviously have to change that link. We'll go to this one. I'm glad I saw that though, so now I can fix it. Okay, so you open up their profile page, excuse me. It will have links to their socials, to the website, to emails, whatever information they give me, I will add on to here. And so you can find them by a category. All the categories will be A to Z, and you can find them quite easily. So this is $97 a month to advertise here, and I'm hoping I'll be able to do some ads for this and get this known so that if people are looking for something, they can come here directly. Please, when you are connecting or let's say you want to send someone to Kelly or connect someone with Kelly, you can open up her profile and then just double click on the URL, copy that, and send them that link, which will, for them, just open this up. You can also send her contact info, but if you do that, then that opens this up. Also, if you, like Kelly, can use that link to advertise her info as well. So that is basically how that's going to work. If anybody has any questions, I highly recommend that you utilize this. I do right now have albums on the networking group site. I'm going to be deleting those and moving all of the membership information into the website. Um, so just so you know that, and this is where I want us to sort of be a little more in contact with each other and looking up each other here. So great. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call, message me, call me, email me, whatever you would like, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.